Hello everyone, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. I got a question asking if we can add a text behind a person in a video on Capcut. The answer is yes, but it also depends how complicated the video is. What I mean by that is it would work if there's not too much movement change of the person in the video. With this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a text behind a person in a video using the mask function on Capcut. Now let's get started. First, you want to create the text that you are going to use. So click on New Project. Click on Start Videos. You can select the first one, which is a transparent one. And then you can move it to how long your text is going to be in the video. It's always good to have it longer than shorter because you can always trim it down. Click on Text, Add Text, and you can add the text that you are going to use in the video. You can click on Effects to select different style of text that you want to use. It's best to use solid color because we are going to make this into a green screen. I would recommend you not to use text that has like a light effect to it because this doesn't work well with the green screen. So after you select the text that you want, then you align it with the main track. Now you can go to Canvas, click on Color, and then select the green color. And you can export it. So now click on the video that you want to use. Click on Overlay to add in the text. Now you can align the text with the video. Then you can click on the clip. Click on Chroma key to remove the green screen. And then you can adjust the text to the location or size that you want. After you're happy with it, now let's move on to the next step. So you would click on the text, go to Mask, and you can use the mask clip that would work well. In this case, I'm going to use rectangle. What mask means is that you're only able to see whatever in that square shape or circle shape. If you click on inward, that means you can see everything else except the part of the square. You can also adjust the corner of the square by moving this icon here. So you will adjust to a part where you feel like it's good. And now we click on the clip again. Click on Copy. And you will align this with the other one. Click on the second one. Click on Mask. And then this time you will adjust it on the other side. You can also move this here to make it as transparent-ish if you want. So that's how you can create like a text behind a person effect. Since this is a video, the person might move a little in some position. So you can go to those spots and you can click on the clip, click on split on both. And then you can adjust the mask. So that's how you can create the text behind a person effect using the mask function.
we escape, losing all of our faith.
You can also use the mask function to create a twins effect. For example, you record two videos with the same background, but with the person in different location. And then you can move one to the overlay track. And then you click on the second one, and you can click on the mask again. You can use split, or whichever one you feel like it fit. And you can trim to match the clip. That's how you can create a twins effect using the mask function on Capcut as well. That wraps up for this video. I hope now you have a better understanding on how to use the mask function. If you would like to see more Capcut related content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and comment down below of what you are hoping to see more. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.